Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am here to bring you guys another one. And today, you guys, what I'm going to be bringing you is a review of the Sheamoisture Red Palm Oil and Cocoa Butter collection. I have the High Slip Detangling Shampoo. I have the leave-in or rinse out conditioner. As you can see, I put a dent in it. And I also have the curl stretch pudding, and this line is said to be for curly, coily, shrinkage prone hair, and that is something that I do have. And these products have cocoa butter, red palm oil, and flaxseed oil in them. And you guys, this stuff, it smells so good. Like, when I say it smells good, y'all, it smells like a vacation or something. It smells really good. And y'all don't mind my edges, go on. Ain't did nothing to my edges. But I just want you guys to first get into my hair. I don't normally wear my natural hair, but I told one of my friends, I said, hey friend, I done took my weave out because I had some individual braids, and I took my weave out, and I said I am going to attempt to not wear any weave for the rest of the year, just because I want to work more so on learning my hair, seeing the products that work great for my hair. Even though I know some of the products that work great for my hair, I'm still trying to, learn my hair a little bit more. I'm trying to learn my hair a little bit more. And yes, you guys, I'm sitting here in a robe and a sports bra. Don't mind that. Let's get back on track. But I am trying to learn more about my hair. I'm trying to try different products, I guess. And so what I did was I washed it, I twisted it, and y'all, this is like a little messy thrown up bun. I have the braid, the twist. Let me take it down, and y'all, let's hope my rubber band don't pop. But I have them twisted up like this. I washed my hair with the detangling shampoo first, and then I didn't use this as a rinse out conditioner. I used it as a leave-in just because I want to try something else. So I used it as a leave-in, and then I also put these on the twist. So this is how they look, and these are a week old. That's why my edges look a little fluffy, but these are a week old twist. And when I was in middle school, I used to wear my hair in a little twist. But again, that was when I was in middle school, and I'm 28 years old. So again, that was middle school. I'm an adult. That's childish. So when I first put these in, I was like, I'm gonna look childish, because everybody already say that I don't look like I'm knocking on 30's door. I'm appreciative that I don't look like I'm knocking on 30's door. And yo, why I want to act like you don't want to do right now? Okay, y'all, so we back cooking with gas. I was able to figure out what it was, but as you guys can see, your girl got a little bit of length, but shrinkage. So let's get back into these products, you guys. This stuff, first of all, let's get into this shampoo first. This High Slip Detangling Shampoo, it lathers up so good, lathers up so creamy. It really takes all the buildup of products that have been in your hair, whether you've been using gel or edge control. It really takes this out, and it actually, I noticed that this actually made detangling easier. I was able to wash and detangle my hair and twist it up in 2 hours, and that's never been the case of something that I've been able to do. I've never been able to wash my hair, detangle it in under 3 hours, because most of the time, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, my hair is a all weekend event. So I start on Friday night with taking down whatever style I probably have in. I'll probably even have it crochet or braids. Take that down Friday night. Saturday, wash it, then put the deep conditioner in, sleep in the deep conditioner. Sunday, wash the deep conditioner out, and then decide what I'm gonna do with it. So this actually helped make the detangling process easier. Next, after I washed it, I wanted to try the leave-in or rinse out conditioner, and I use the Sheamoisture Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner. Love that. It smells good as well. But again, I put this in my hair to twist, and then I use the Organics coconut miracle oil as the oil to seal my hair in, and then I use some Design Essentials grease on my scalp, just because I have dry scalp, and that Design Essentials formula is for dry scalps. So I put this on, then I put the oil on, and no, I put this on, then I put the curl stretch pudding on, and then I put the oil on, and then I twisted it. But this leave-in conditioner had my hair so soft. Y'all, my hair was super soft. It was so soft, that's why I didn't rinse it out, just because I liked the feel of it. Had a lot of slip to it. The consistency wasn't sticky. I've noticed with some leave-ins, the consistency of the leave-in is sticky. This consistency was not sticky. I really like this leave-in. That's why, as y'all can see, that much of it is gone, and it comes filled up. That's why that much of it is going. In these bottles, I didn't tell y'all how many fluid ounces. This is 13.5 fluid ounces for the shampoo, and then the leave-in or rinse out conditioner is 13 fluid ounces. Again, yes. Then the curl stretch pudding, y'all. Now it says that this is it says to pair it with the styling jelly for added hold if you were to do like a twist out. I didn't want to do a twist out because I'm working from home, y'all, so I'm not really going out and about and being on the town, except for going to, you know, like the grocery store to get essential items. So I didn't want to do a twist out. I probably, since these have been in for a week, I'll probably do a untwisting. I'm not sure. I don't know. Don't hold me to that. Just because, again, I'm telling you guys, I don't really go out like that. But these twists also have this curl stretch pudding on, and y'all, I love juicy twists. Like, my twists gotta have that juice, that bounce. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about when I say that juice, that bounce, but my twists have to be, they have to be tight. I don't like those how when you used to perm your hair, how if you twist it or you braid it, it look really thin. I don't like no twist like that. These look, I don't know if these look thin to y'all, but it's because I did them smaller. Week previous, when I first took my hair down, I did the twist a little bit bigger, but this time I wanted them a little bit smaller, just because I knew I wanted to put them up in a ponytail in order to keep them out my face while I'm working. Y'all, look at the Ashanti sideburns. Look at the Ashanti sideburns. Yes, but that's why I haven't really taken them down, and got a little accessory right there. But these twists that I did with these products, y'all, these products feel so good on your hair. The scent, again, this scent, you smell like a tropical vacation. Like, you smell like all the tropical fruits. Like, you smell like coconuts, papayas, make your man want to eat me, put it on to make him want to marry me. Like, you smell like all these good things. So the verdict for the Sheamoisture red palm oil and cocoa butter line is, these are Danny approved. Y'all, these are Danny approved. I'm approving these. The price point was not expensive at all. These products, I think, don't quote me on it because I got them from Target, and when I got them from Target, they had that buy one get one free on the textured hair care product. So it was like Carol's Daughter, Sheamoisture, Taraji's line. What else they had in there? Mixed Chicks, Cantu. But those were the lines that they had to buy one product get one free. So where I first went and I bought the leave-in rinse out conditioner, and my mom bought the argan oil, so I paid for this. Argan oil was free. And then when I went the second time, I got the shampoo, and then I got the curl stretch pudding, because I said, you know, I'm not just gonna try a leave-in. Like, if you're gonna try the product, you might as well do the whole thing. Go hard or go home, baby. So again, these products, Danny approved. Go to Target. They sell it at Target. They sell it at Walmart, and then of course, you know, you could go on the Sheamoisture online website to get it. But I got mine from Target. Again, it was the buy one get one free deal that they had going on. And these twists are a week old. They still look beautiful. And I put rubber bands in my hair because I like together uniform twists if I'm not doing a twist out. So made my hair feel so succulent. Like, my hair feels so good. So good. Again, these products were not sticky. They don't have that, like, you know how some products, after you put in your hair, you touch your hair and you go like, oh, I gotta wash my hands. Products didn't do that. I know I said this 2 times, I'm gonna say it again. These products are Danny approved. Make sure that you go buy it, try it out, tell me how you like it on your natural hair. Make sure that you tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell me other videos that you have in mind that you would like to see. I think that's it. So bye, you guys.